In this problem, we are asked to find the value of angle x. First, observe that ABCD is a square. We are given triangle EDF with angles 63 degrees and 45 degrees. Now comes the key idea. Rotate triangle DFE around point D. Rotate it by 90 degrees to the right, as shown in the diagram. After rotation, the triangle keeps its shape and angles, so the 45-degree and 63-degree angles remain unchanged. Now we can connect the rotated triangle to form a larger triangle. Notice that matching sides create an isosceles structure. This allows us to relate the angles around point D. By angle chasing, the angle at F becomes 72 degrees. Therefore, the value of x is 72 degrees. That is the final answer.